Hi everyone, I thought I would make a short little video about what I just made. So, I made this is in the June Secret Place journal, and it's called a Picnic Basket Promise Pocketbook. And these are the instructions, and I'm going to show you mine. And I didn't do the red inside. I'll show you mine. So I did this, and this is on my messy desk, but it is what it is. So I did the little handle, and I did the little basket, and these strips are held together with velcro. And this is a quick video. I originally was going to make this on video. I just don't have time yet, so I thought I would just make it real quick and show you the results. So I didn't put anything on here because I'm going to make it notes. So I haven't decided what I'm going to make this yet. But, so we open it up, and I think I'm going to make this where it opens like that, and then I can put some notes here. This is going to be my cover page, and then I printed a few pages. I've got those, and then it goes to white, and I put them together with washi tape. I have some cross washi tape. I love it. And I've got that, and that. And then that's it for right now. It's going to be like a little mini book. I might use it for maybe Bible verses or something. I don't know yet, but I thought I'd show you that in my messy desk apparently. And then I've got these pockets that are going to go in it. I haven't done it yet. And then I've got these verses. These also come with it. I believe, yeah, it comes with it. See, Secret Place, The Lord is My Shepherd, June Promise mini book. And you also get these too. So it's a great deal. And these are little tags, more tags, and these are pockets. So I'm going to cut some of these pockets out and actually put them in my book. I think what I'm going to do, let's see if we can open this real quick. And I just got, it's just mini little Velcro. It's the Velcro brand. I don't have the box right here, but I think I'm going to put a little pocket here, and then maybe on here as well because of the white spots. But yeah, and all I did was you get the whole kit, and then you just have to cut everything out. And I actually glued these here straight down. And then I did not even glue, so you can see the little bit of space. I didn't even glue that because I'm like, nope, don't need to. So all I did was I Velcroed. So we put the Velcro back down, and it holds the book together. You don't even have to worry about it. So, and yes, and it's even good. You've got opening on the sides, pockets, on the sides. So it doesn't even have to fit in the book. If you want it to hang out, like if I wanted this piece to hang out, I could. So, and see, that is what it's supposed to look like. I think mine, oh, see, mine does look a little different. I was supposed to do this handle there and then the straps there, but I kind of like that. So you can do it any way you want. You don't have to, the instructions are just a guide to show you how to do it. And that's why we have instructions, so you know what to do, and then you know what you're doing. So if you have any questions, let me know. Yes, this is a short video because I've got to take stuff off my phone, and it is only going to let me video almost a 6-minute video. And my cat is chewing up cardboard. No. Sorry. I'm going to leave this video as is too. It's life, right? So yeah, that's the little Picnic Basket Promise book. And as you can see, there's another little, in the kit, there's a red checkered that you can do too. And see, you can see the things. So there we go. Have a great day.